How to set up a power cut alert on web. Want to get real-time alerts every time the power is cut to the device installed in your vehicle? You can do that by setting up a power cut alert for your vehicle inside the LocoNav platform on mobile or web. To set up a power cut alert, you must first have a wired GPS tracker or OBD device installed in your vehicle, along with an active subscription to the LocoNav Fleet and Asset Management System. Let's log into LocoNav Fleet and Asset Management System and get started. Select the Alerts module from the side navigation menu. A dashboard will appear with all alerts available on the platform. Use the search bar on the top left to search for Power Cut Alert. Select Power Cut Alert, and then click View Alert Settings under Power Cut Alert. Click on Set Alert on the top right. Now select sub-user name and vehicle group name to limit alerts for specific users and vehicles. Then choose the vehicles for which you want to create the selected power cut alert in the form of real-time notifications. You can choose to have these notifications come to you on the web, mobile app, or email. Check the option under the Trips section if you want to receive alerts only when the vehicle is on a trip. Click on Set Alert to save the alert settings. This way you can set up as many power cut alerts as you like for each of your vehicles. To learn more about LocoNav's Fleet and Asset Management System, write to us at hi@loconav.com.